Is it better now? Is it better? So I think it's fine. You may confirm. Very clear and low. The sticker is it for not louder? Okay. One. It's 99. Yeah, yeah, one.
Is it better now, guys? Please let me know. I think it's fine. I think it's fine. Yes, yes. Sorry, guys. Let me share the screen. Okay. So welcome to Sunday workshop.
It's fine. I think it's fine. Let me share this screen. Welcome to Sunday workshop.
1 second.
One second.
Just give me 2 more. Still people are joining, guys. Once everybody joined, we'll start today's session. And yeah, 1 moment. So everyone please mute. Everyone please mute, and then okay, so let's start, guys. Let me share, and I will open the notepad plus plus. We'll try this now, and Control N. now. So please, yeah, it's shared the screen now. Okay, shall we continue, team? Let's go back and welcome to welcome to Sunday workshop. And today, the main agenda of the workshop, we're going to do practical. We are going to do practical along with understand, okay, why the full stack FSDS, full stack data science and Gen AI. So my voice is clear now? Yes, team. Once you confirmed, I will continue and we work with me and let's try to understand everything in one by one, guys. Okay. So give me confirmations. I hope it's clear from my side. Its voice is clear, louder as well. Louder as well. Yes, clear and louder from my side. Just because it's sorry to ask you again. The reason being I have to be asked, then only things would be clear, guys. Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you. So why FSDS Gen AI is the future in 2025. So we are at 2024 and it's about to end. All right, we just have 2 more months, but still new job opening in the market in 2025. So let's continue. So I'll make some of the slides. I want to show you this one, why to choose FSDS with Gen AI in 2025. Okay. So this is all those things we have. Let's try to understand. And before I go ahead, so are we ready to do the practical, team? Are we ready to do the practical? Are we ready to do the practical? If yes, I want to okay, introduce. Before we continue today's session, I want to work with me. So first thing, everyone, please log in to huggingface.com. First, I want you to try to gated one model. Then I'll introduce anyone non-technical, anyone complete beginner. If anyone from complete beginner, no problem. So I'll get back to you. You just work with me. And if any questions, you can ask at the end. No problem at all. Are you clear, guys? So I want everyone to log in to huggingface.com. Okay, huggingface.com. So just go to the Google and we try here and here, Hugging Face. Just go here and so please log into the huggingface.com. How do you log into the huggingface.com? Very simple. You can log in with users existing Gmail ID. Can you do it? Gmail ID. So online team, are you working with me? Just let me know if anyone has any problem, anyone has an issue. May I know, please? So I'll wait for you. So today is going to be again hands-on. So I will teach you each and everything from the scratch to expert level. And I want you to few Llama introduce new model. So let's introduce to the new model. And before that, I want to gate the model. For that's the reason it will take some time. So our main aim of the workshop is we both are work together and you has to be learn about new model which launched by Meta Llama. Clear? Okay. So anyone complete beginner. So I just follow your chart and if any questions you can log in. So shall we start work? Arush and Aviram, Amit, Charan sir, I don't know about workshop means. Can you explain? Workshop means, Gautami, I will explain something. We'll both work together. It's called workshop. For example, you are a teacher and you try to train to fifth class kid or fourth class kid, Gautami. Okay, so what you try to do, you will explain 2 into 1 2. I'm writing 2 into 1 2. Can you guys write? So they also write 2 into 1 2. So it's all about workshop. Now are you clear now, Gautami, what is meant by workshop? Clear? Answer me. Clear. Very good. Anyone has any questions? New students, uh any new students are here? Any new students are here which you never know before? So this is quite advanced, but still, I will explain all those things in regular classes because my new batch is started from tomorrow. So I want you to join the new batch. And good morning, Samiksha. Good morning. Sir, what are the time durations of this workshop? It's again 2 hours, Darshanikant. Again 2 hours. Again 2 hours. Okay, no problem. So everybody's work with me. If not, let me know who is working with me. Please let me know. Yes, Darshanikant is working. Anyone else? Anyone else? Anyone else? Okay. Sh- Shakib, good. Excellent. Anybody else? No, I'll introduce all those things. Who am I and what is my designation, and also what is the main agenda, why to choose full stack data science in future, what is meant by large language model, what is generative AI. I don't know anything about what you're talking. So we have multiple questions and answers for this, guys. All right. So before I want you to try. So workshop means I explained you. We try to work together and develop one model, and how the model is predict. We load an image from the image, text generations from the images, which is generative AI and large language model projects we'll do today. So that's why if anyone is, at least if you understand, that's fine. If not, you can work with me and then you can stick to the classes. Any questions, you can join tomorrow session, or you can also ask me in today workshops, guys. I'll unmute you. So let's work together. So the first step, what I told you, the first step, go to huggingface.com. Once you go to huggingface.com, you can get the login. You can get to the login to the, how do you log into the Facebook, Instagram, or same way, you can log in to the huggingface.com. Once you log into the huggingface.com, you can try to go to setting. And once you go to setting and you keep enter your all the details, your name, and just you keep your name, and you can find out access tokens. Do you see access tokens? And create a new token. Create a new token. So just second one. And once you guys logged in, once you logged in to the huggingface.com, just go to setting. And once you go to setting, so what you try to do, just go here and you click on access tokens. Click on, sir, is this website? Yes, Amit, this is website. Yes, this is website. And then access tokens. And once you access tokens, you create your new token. You just create your new token. So when you create a new token, it'll ask for your token name. You can mention any token name. Mention token name as generative AI, generative AI, and API key and token key. This is key you will generate. So understand, this is the key you will generate. This is the first concept. I want you to do this. So this is the key. So now, sir, you haven't explained anything about this workshop. Let me tell you, just go to slideshow from current slide. So guys, what we try to understood why to choose this course, and this is my name, and I'm a lead data scientist and chief architecture as well. So what is agenda for today? So the agenda is what is generative AI, what is full stack data science, what is generative AI, and what is LLM models. And one second. What is LLM model? What is machine learning, AI, NLP, deep learning neural network?
Introductions to Llama 3 latest model, how to create a model, and we do some practical, and then I'll share you all the results. This is what is in the today. This is what is in the. Anyone has any question? Anyone has any questions for Pupa? Anyone has any questions? May I know? Amit, are you guys logged into this website, huggingface.com? Can you please try, at least try to get a token? See, this is a new thing. New thing, it's of course, voice is not clear. Does voice is not clear? Does voice is not clear? One second.
Now, is it better? Now, is it fine? Please let me know. Yes. Okay, clear and louder. Now you can try this. I'm sorry, guys, if you not hear this. Okay. So what is the first step I told you to do this, guys? First, go to Google, or maybe you can go to Google, and once you go to Google and try to type Hugging Face login, okay? And right click and open link in new tab. So this is what Hugging Face login. So once you log in, just click it here, and you can price and registered with yourself, and you logged in with your Gmail ID, and you logged in with your Gmail ID. So once you logged in with your Gmail ID, once you log into the Hugging Face, this is what your, if you check this, your login, your sign out options, you will get it. After that, you go to the setting, and once you go to the setting, click access tokens. When you click access tokens, you give your token access from here, and you create a new token. Once you create a new token, you mention the token name, and you can generate a token. Finally, the token will be generated, and you copy the token and you paste somewhere on your notepad. No need to share to your token to anyone else. Clear what I'm speaking now? Try this, guys. Try this. I'm waiting for everybody. Try that. So team, everyone is working. Okay, Shivam, unmute you. Any question? Very good. How many of them done? I want to know. Like, very good. Showing no access token. Done. Very good, Naresh, Arush. Fantastic. Geeta showing no access token. Exactly. You have to create the tokens. You have to create the token. So how to create the token? Once you log into this, just you go to your setting. Once you go to your setting, then you can click on access tokens. And once you click, you have to enter your profile, your login username. And this is one, you can write your name. And once you logged into the name, just you can save changes and go to access tokens and create a new token, and then you keep your token name. Once you keep the token name, then what you need to do is you can once you token name, it will create, guys. So I can write a token name as, let's say, new token, okay, or token, or let's say llama model. All right, so just go back, create token. So do you see this is the token created? The moment when I say copy it, and I'm created my new token here. This is my token I created. So do you see this, guys, how I create a token? Now please do so quick. So as much as we quick, we complete that. Geeta, you try now. So team, everybody completed? Everybody completed? Please let me know. Once we do this, we will complete this, and I want everyone to done. Very good, Charan. Excellent. How many of them completed? May I know? So I can see that completed Hugging Face. Very good. Excellent. Done, done, done. Oh, Alex, welcome back again. Okay. So let's wait for everybody, Alex. Then once everybody done, so we'll move to the next step. So the main reason behind to start it, to find out the new thing. Then I'll introduce. So anyone has an issue, please let me know. The one who created, I appreciated. So first step, what is the first step we done? We create a Hugging Face token. Okay. So now you listen and you work with me. Did you know we have we have many LLM models? So the first one is ChatGPT, the second one is Gemini, and the third one is Llama. Okay. So this guys, ChatGPT is created by OpenAI. So now it's purchased by Microsoft. And then this is Gemini is for Google and Llama is for Meta. So this is paid one. You cannot build LLM model using free. You have to pay for it. Open source. I mean, it's not a open source, it's a paid API key. Okay, I'll tell you how to go for paid, and this is free open source. All right, you no need to pay any amount for this one. And now Meta, this is also a free open source. Now today I'm going to work on Llama has introduced many models, guys. So the first one is Llama uh, 3, then Llama 3.1, then Llama 3.2. So Llama 3.2 has 1 billion, 8 billion, and let's say like we have multiple 405 billion. I'll show you all those things. So I already previous Pinaki, an issue. I'll unmute you. Wait. Yes, Pinaki, unmute you. Yeah, you can talk to me, no problem.
was- It was informing the group that this seminar will start from 10:30. So have I missed
Oh, is
something?
it?
Hmm.
No, no, no. We just 10:30. Okay, so now we just started because just 5 minutes back we started. Sorry, 15 minutes back we started, Pinaki. So what we're trying to do, I want you to create a Hugging Face API key. Do you create it before? No? Unmute you. You can talk to me, no problem. Unmute you.
No, I haven't created.
Okay. So just 10 minutes back we started. I'll tell you what are the things we covered so far. The moment when we start the session, I told students to create a Hugging Face API key. First point. So what is the first point? I said to create a Hugging Face. What is Hugging Face? I will tell you. Hugging Face API key. So to create Hugging Face API key, so first point, what did I told you? To log in to huggingface.com, and you log in with your Gmail. After login with your Gmail and go to Hugging Face setting and create a new token. And this is where I create a new token, and you copy the token and you paste here. This is my token, and then done. So do you see, once you got, this is where you can create your own token. So this is what I told you, and I'm waiting for everyone to create the new token. This is what we done so far. Pinaki, are you
Okay.
clear?
Yes, yes.
Can you do it now, quick?
Okay.
Sir, from where I should download Gemini and Llama? See, Ganesh, I will tell you all those things. I will show you the previous workshop. You can follow that. I will tell you how to download all those things. Right now, we were working on Llama 3.2 1 billion model. Yes, Ganesh, you can try that. So, all right, Ganesh. So, because right now, if I tell you, it's going to be long hour, and okay, no problem. So done. So far, how many? So tell admin to share the meeting details one day before. I just got messages. No problem. No problem. Darshanikant. Okay. So finally you joined, right? So guys, done. So this is what we created. What should you provide token name? Anything. Anything, Geeta. So right now I provide Llama model. Can you keep the Llama model? Can you keep your name is Llama model? Okay. And once you create, how many of them create API token quick, guys? We try to complete this project and we'll understand, and then I'll try to introduce what exactly all about FSDS created. Fantastic. Fantastic. So as most of them are beginner, it seems, so we created this model, guys. All right. Okay. That's great. So once we created the Llama model, I want you to create a HF token. Done. Very good. Very good. So after that, after once you created, let's go to huggingface.com. So I'm sure everybody has logged into this. Now, do you see Hugging Face has this? Hugging Face is a very good company where it load with multiple models, pre-trained data sets, spaces, post documents. So I will take another workshop in depth of Hugging Face, but here, if you go to, let me go back and clear it. And now you can try to Llama and Vision Instruct. So please try to search this one, Llama 3.2 11B Instruct. Copy, and I'm go to everyone. Please type this now. Please type this in search options. Once you created Hugging Face token, once you created Hugging Face token, I want everyone to search Llama 3.2 11 billion. Do you know this is a new model, 11 billion Vision Instruct model? So once you search that, once you get this, yeah, Vision Instruct. So do you see your model? Are you able to see this message gated model? You have granted access to this model. Are you able to see this message? Yes or no? Llama 3.2. I'll introduce this one. Okay, but before that, because there's a few things I just want you to do before I can start. So if you do, then no. Okay, very good, Murthy. You're not able to see that. So now once you scroll down, it is asking your personal informations, right? Can you fill your detail? Can you fill your detail? And you need to wait for some time. I need to wait for some time. Please fill it. Do you know how many users are downloaded so far? 16 lakhs 19,674 users downloaded last month. It's very powerful. So Llama 3.2, it's a LLM model versions. So we are downloading Llama 3.2. Okay, which model? 11B Vision model, guys. So I know this is a little bit, more advanced, but I would appreciate if you work with me. If not understand, this is all available in live. Okay. You guys done this? So I'm sure you should be waited for some time. Once it is gated model, it isn't gated yet. So what I want you to do, you copy this now. I will share it. Okay, in the chat window to everyone. You copy that and you paste here. Once you paste here, you get this options like this. You get this page. It shouldn't be gated. Once you click this, it would be gated like that. Please let me know once you fill your all the detail. Please fill your detail. Done this, guys? Okay. Affiliated. Affiliations, you can say personal. Darshanikant, can you take the shot and share in the chat window so that people can do it? Okay. Affiliations, you can mention personal. So what I'm trying to do it, let's go back to the model. I try to check any model like Black Forest. Do you see this, guys? So now, are you get like this, guys? You need to agree to share your contact information to access this model. Now, are you able to see this, guys, right? Agree and access repository. Am I correct or not? So now what you need to do, just click on agree and access repositories to there. And once you find out, not able to share screenshot, you take the ping and you can do this, buddy. Understand, team? You need to gated the model. So once you gated the model, then only it will be work out. You have to fill the form. Once you log into this, once you click this 11B Vision model to here, you will get to see your personal information. Okay. So how many of them done so far? How many of them done so far? Sir, what is affiliations? It is asking affiliations. Just you can mention personal. I mean, on affiliated. I want to give the access. You have no access token. It's shown me setting options. Yes, Farhan, you have to go to setting and create a new access token. Exactly. Okay, Farhan. And now you can go to access token. Job title, anything. Job title, you can mention data scientist. Job title, you can mention data scientist. Your request to access has been submitted and is waiting. Yes, we need to wait for some time, Alex. You need to wait for some time. Okay, job title Murthy, you can mention as, what you say, like, um, data analyst or data scientist or Gen A engineer, anything. So it would be not gated AI research. Yeah, no problem. You can keep it like that. You can keep it like that. So let me repeat again what we start today. We log in the session, and once we log in the session, I told everyone to log into huggingface.com. Okay, once everybody log into the huggingface.com, you just click it, and once you click, you can go to setting, and once you go to the setting, you can create your API token and access token, and now save changes. You can keep any name and you save your API token over there. Are you guys done? Are you guys done? Once you save API tokens, what next? Now, I said click on models. Once you click on the model, I shared one model in the chart window and you do enter. So just go to the chart window for everyone and enter. Once you enter, so the model name, so this model has created by Llama. Llama model is created by Meta, which was formerly it's a Facebook. And once you get this, now gated model, so it not gated yet to access. See, now what we're trying to do, we are informing Meta to give me access to access this model. So that's why when you log into this, it asking to fill the form. What is fill the form? It'll give you like your name, your affiliations, what job title, and you have to submit. So this part is on, sir, is this part is online classes or I joined to no role of FSDS. Amit, we do both because let me, okay, you want to work? Amit, I also explain what is FSDS, what is GenAI, all those things. But before we go ahead, I want you to little practical and then go for. Understand, Amit? And then I'll tell you what is data science, what is GenAI, all those things, guys. Clear, team? Okay. Now, are you work with me? If you not work, just view because most of them are working. So once we go back, I'll tell you what is a request status is pending. Very good, very good. Now, Ritu, everyone, once you fill your form, just go to setting and do you see gated repositories? Click the gated repositories and you can see like this Meta Llama 2 multi models accepted. So today's date is October 24 and you keep refresh and now it will take some time to accept the model. That's why I want you to complete and then wait. We go back to theory classes. I want everyone to accept it and then we build one very nice practical on Llama 2 model and then we'll introduce what is FSDS, what is AI, what is generative AI, all those things we're going to follow this. Are we clear? So now everyone it's saying pending status or not? Everybody it's showing pending status? Everybody is showing pending status. Yes, pending status. Very good. How many of them? Alex, it's showing pending status. Yes, sir, it's showing pending. Arush. Murthy is showing. Geeta, are you working? Amit, do you working? Okay. Pending. Okay. Pending. How many of them showing pending now? Or how many of them not work? Okay. So Pinaki, are you working? You got any question for this now? Anyone got any questions, guys? Yep. Now pending. Very good. All right, let's go back to the theory. So I want everyone to complete this, and I want you to accepted this model. I mean, you not accepted. They will give accepted. It will take some 30 to 45 minutes to accept the model. Once you accept the model, we go for practical. In the meantime, you can let me know that the model is accepted or not. All right, guys. Next, get back to the theory. So what we done, first point, let's repeat again. So today the workshop is why to choose full stack data science and Gen AI in future for 2025. So we work along with theory along with some practical. As we are more practical oriented, so I'll always selected for practical itself rather than theory. So here everyone, what was the points we covered? I informed to log into huggingface.com and log in with your Gmail ID. First step done. And once you log into the huggingface.com, you should create your new token. So once you create your new token, you save your token in somewhere. I save my API key token. Once you save my API key token, we have many LLM models, ChatGPT, Gemini, Llama. So what is generative AI? I will explain you now. So Llama 3.2, it is latest model. I informed team to in Hugging Face, just copy in Hugging Face, go to the model and paste it. What I told you, just Hugging Face, go to the model and paste it. Once you paste it, you can able to see that, and it asking to your model is not gated yet. So finally you need to be gated to this model to go ahead for practical, guys, to go ahead for practical. Understand, team? And for that, what we done? So we filled the form which given by Meta. So once you fill the form, sixth one, once you fill the form, okay, Meta, and you need to, now again, you go to setting, just go here, go to setting. And once you go to setting, and you can find out like gated repositories, just here gated repositories, and you can see this setting, select on gated repositories. And then what you do is it's pending status now. It's pending status. What will the next step? Now you need to be wait for 40 minutes so that Meta will access your filled form and grant the access to work Llama 3.2 model, and that's what we need to wait. That's what I told you to please, you can work on this, guys. File, save as, and then desktop, work, NIT, and workshop. This is one, and session notes to it. Okay, so while I explain you, you guys keep check on pending status. And once you check the pending status, we're going to work on upcoming things, guys. Let's start. Let's come back to theory. I'm going to go for presentations now. So how many of them still showing pending status, guys? Okay, I know Ritu. Okay, Alex, repo name, request status, multi-model. Very good, Alex. For detail to everyone, can you share to everyone? Repo name, type, date, request status, and all those things, right? So Ritu is done, and Arush is pending. Darshanika pending. How many else pending? Okay, pending. Very good, Murthy. Geeta, pending status for you. So now I appreciate for your response. I can see your responses. Okay, pending, sir. Very good. Okay, now let's start theory. And by the time we discuss theory, it will be active accepted, and then we go back a practical. And it's amazing practical, it's advanced practical. I know many people are freshers here, but still we try to understand all those things, and let's discuss now, guys. All right. Okay. Slideshow from current slide. All right. So just go to the next page. What is full stack data science? What is Gen AI? What is LLM model? What exactly this term? And right now, I was talk about this part. What is Hugging Face? Right? What is Hugging Face? What is Llama 3.2? What is gated model? And I want you to do this step and this step now, guys. And then we do the practical. Image informations generations using LLM model. Okay. So this is the practical we're going to do. This is all agenda. And so as I multiple time I just told my experiences. I'm almost working in a 17 year now. This year end, next year I move to 18 plus. This is all companies I worked before, and my teaching experience is more than 10-year experience, and still I'm working with European based client, and I provide training on offline and online, and the lab would be provide. And if you refer my key exposure, let me open where exactly my main exposure are into. Let me show you this. Okay, so mostly I'm working in system design, Gen AI architect developer, how to Gen architecture, keeping the challenges now, data quality, computationals, model challenges, model size, Gen AI limitations, up to what limit Gen AI can integrate it in the real world, and then Gen AI infrastructures, GPU resources, capacity planning, cloud infra, model selections, Gen AI integrations with multiple like endpoint APIs, microservices, web front and back end, and mostly work with data architecture like Snowflake and Databricks. And see, any projects testing is required, so we work on testing part as well. Security is very important in generative AI models, so Gen AI general topic. So this is all way LLM ops, ML ops. So all these things I'm more involved in nowadays, guys. Am I clear? So maybe some of them understand what is mean, but some of them not understand. That's okay. So still, this is Gen A's growing market, and many people, many companies trying to find out infrastructures in our organizations, but they can't do it because the model is too huge, too big. So that's the reason we can't do it. Clear? So the first one is my introductions. We are done. So if you want to know about me, so I just request you to refer this my LinkedIn account, and I will share to you in the chat window. So I'd request team to ping me for more informations. Clear? So this is all about my detailed informations, guys. All right. Yeah, this is all about my information. Next one. So next one is slideshow current slide. So deep dive into practical software using Google Colab. We use a Google Colab software, Transformer, Hugging Face, LLM model, Llama 3.2. We use a library called PyTorch. I just request to uh, friend request. Okay, no problem, Abu. I will accept it. No problem. So we'll use library PyTorch, Pillow, Torch Vision, Bits and Bytes, Sentence Space, and Fade Scale, Fire Blob file. And this is Hugging Face and all those things. Accepted. Very good. So Darshanikant accepted the model. Anyone else? Can you please check? Can you please check? So this is what practical we're going to do. All right, team. Next. Whoever wants to interested to, okay, so old students, no problem. For the new, who is completely new, guys, here? May I know how many of them completely new? Accepted. Abu accepted. Very good. How many of them accepted, and how many of them new today? You can use chat window, guys. Shivam. Okay, any issue, Shivam? Unmute you. Unmute you, Shivam. Please speak out. If you have an issue, raise your hands. Okay, it's a new. You are new. Okay, Ritu completely accepted the model old to data science. Very good. Very good. Accepted. So how many of them accepted? Fantastic. No problem. So let's wait for everyone, guys. Once they accepted, we go to the practical. Accepted. Good, Murthy. Fantastic. All right. Now, if you knew, if you never before, no problem. You just listen the class because my classes is too little advanced, not much, but you have to, then only there's a good chance to get an interview call, guys. All right. Next one, data science. Data science is divided into three part: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Understand, guys? Supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Machine learning topic come under supervised learning. Machine learning topics comes under supervised learning. Now, AI. What is AI? Artificial intelligence, natural language processing, like text. What is meant by text? We use like we talk to each other, like WhatsApp chat, Instagram chat, Twitter. All are text or not? So those all comes under NLTK. Deep learning, TensorFlow, Keras, neural network, RNN, CNN, ANN, all those things comes under unsupervised learning AI. All right, guys. And the next thing is reinforcement learning. What is reinforcement learning? You have OpenAI. Okay, so this is called generative AI, also comes under reinforcement learning. So guys, are you understand? So how many type of data science and how we split the data science? Data science has split into two part. So what is data science, guys? You can say data plus science. Data again divided into three parts: supervised, unsupervised, reinforcement. So machine learning comes under supervised. NLP, deep learning, neural network all comes under AI. Open AI, generative AI, LLM models all comes under reinforcement learning. Amit, are you clear now? Amit, are you understand? Little slowly understandable? Please respond, guys. Okay, so how we split the data. Next one. But before I go back, I want to show you one architecture. So full stack data science. If we talk about, so let's go back to here, eighth one. So data science has split into data plus science. All right. So the data again split into three parts. The first one we called as structured data. Also we called it supervised learning. Also we called as label data. And second one, unstructured data. Also we called as unsupervised learning, unlabeled data. And next one, reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning. LEARNING. So we have three type of data we have, guys. Understand so far? So this here comes machine learning and here comes deep learning. Deep learning is collections of neural network. So we have deep learning, the first one NLP. The data is text data. Next, ANN, artificial neural network. So the data is number again. And here CNN, the data is image, video, and we have all those things comes under CNN. Next one is RNN, neural network. I'll get back to this neural network. Neural network means, let me finish. I will explain this neural network. Recurrent neural network. Data is like you have like, speech and text. Up to this, guys, up to this clear? What is neural network? I'll come back to this. But for reinforcement learning, we have like, if you refer to this, generative AI model. Generative AI model. So we have like LLM models for that. OpenAI, OpenAI, and then Gemini, and then we have Llama. Llama. Clear? So up to this clear? See, that's what the demo is going on. So the demo is so difference between unsupervised and reinforcement learning. Okay, I will explain. I'll show you one architecture, then we get back to this first. So till the time, keep watch the model is gated or not. See this architecture, and we try to everything covered up in here. See this architecture, we try to cover up everything here. Now full stack data science. You know, full stack Java developer, full stack C developer, full stack .NET developer. What is meant by full stack, guys? Backend and front end is called full stack. Full stack means backend and front end. Here, I'll try to give you a small example. Full stack. What is meant by that? Backend plus front end. For example, tomorrow is your birthday. Tomorrow is your birthday. So in Meta, in Facebook or Meta, machines wishing you first happy birthday, guys, isn't it? And so the front end is your applications. Front end is applications. Back end is machine learning algorithm. Back end is machine learning algorithms. Guys, are you understood what is meant by full stack? Full stack means back end and front end. Back end and front end is called full stack. In full stack data science, we build back end models and also we create front end as well. So if you refer to this, so just go back here, this part, full stack data science. Full stack is already just now I discussed, which is back end plus front end. Clear? Good. Next one. Data science. Data science divide into two part. So what is meant by data science, guys? Data and science, the two part. So my questions to you, what is science? From the childhood onwards, we understood science like engineering, research, maths, linear algebra. Okay. And science denotes combination of everything, statistics. So this is called about the science part. What is data? So the data comes from customers, the data comes from internet. So guys, are you able to understand now? So the data comes from new students. Yep. Hemant, are you clear now? Arush, I'll come back to the point, but please check the model is gated or not. Please check the model is clear. Very good, Alex. What about rest of them, Hemant and Arush? I will talk to you. Yes, sir, clear. Very good. So the data comes from customer and internet. So how the data comes from customers? Do you know, guys, every week we go to the shopping, and in the shopping we went to the billing counter and we try to give up personal information. Today I purchased food item and I inform the lady, she created a records in her machine. So this customer, this type of data, the data which comes from customers directly, this is called supervised learning or structured data or labeled data. Are you clear, team? And internet. In internet, what type of data we create, guys? Netflix. We watch movie Netflix. What type of data? This is a video data. And internet, we downloaded images. From internet, we download songs. So do you see this data which comes from internet? This is called unstructured data. Are you clear, guys? I hope clear now what is meant by structured, what is meant by unstructured. In layman terms, I'm going to say this now. So once you understand structured data, let's talk about this. This structured data handles by machine learning, guys. This structured data handles by machine learning. This unstructured data handles by AI. AI means what? NLP, deep learning. NLP and deep learning. This unstructured data handles by deep learning. Understand? So here, if you refer to this, now this part, look at this arrow mark. Look at this arrow mark. Data science is data science. Science we clear. Now, data comes from customers. So customers, this type of data is called machine learning. From internet, we generate text. That's applications called NLP, natural language processing. Also from the internet, we download image, video. To process image data or video data, we have a concept of deep learning. Do you know cricket match going on in Mumbai and we can watch the matches in our TV? So that means someone has to take the video and we pass and streaming on a platform or not. So that's called deep learning. Understand, guys? So today, the three concepts I want to introduce. The first thing is machine learning, NLP, deep learning. So machine learning takes the data from customers and the data is number. And NLP, the data comes from text or internet, which is called NLP. Deep learning, where the image data is image, video, all those things is called deep learning. Deep learning is consist of three type. The first one is neural network, recurrent neural network, convolutions neural network, CNN. So this concept's called neural network. So this is called AI. This is called AI. So machine learning and AI, a user train the data. I'm a user, I train the data. So guys, are you clear? Little clear? So see, we have a short time. So I try my best to explain in a layman terms. And then when the demo sessions, when you attended, I try to cover all those things in depth. So up to this, I hope understand up to this. So do all those things. The best programming required is Python programming language. To required is Python programming language. So here I come back a solution. What is meant by data science? So the data science is combination of AI, machine learning, NLP, Python programming language, and also statistic. So this is all comes under data science, guys. Are you clear, team? Are you understand this diagram? May I know how many of them clear? Just use your chart window to mention. Okay, for new students, new Hemant and Arush, whoever new students, guys, just you try to. Very good, Abu. What about rest of them? Okay, so next one, good. So the next part, in this concept, we have many things comes up like if you data science pipeline, what is pipeline? So also let's drill down to each and every graph, but in the meantime I want everyone to go to this model and check, is it gated accepted? Everyone, does the model is accepted? Yes, very good. Everyone, good. Accepted, fantastic, nice. So once you accepted, let's do the practical and then we study together this one. All right. And before I go back to theory, let's complete the practical and then we come back to theory. And then we understand how many algorithms we have and how to pickle file. And then we'll try to all those things. All right, guys. So I paste the text then. So I paste the text. Which text, buddy? Naresh, which text? Yeah, you can have any questions. You can ask me. No problem. Okay. Yeah. Now, I want everyone just go to Google. So just go to Google and here we type Google Colab, the next one. So today, so 8 point, and then we have, okay, right. Okay, Naresh, is it gated or not? Naresh, please update me. Is it gated or not? I want to know, is it gated or not? So 9 point, what are the things we understood? What is full stack, data science? What is machine learning? What is NLP? What is deep learning? Deep learning is collections of neural network. We discussed like ANN, CNN, RNN. We discussed this one, right, guys? And full stack means backend plus front end. 10th. Good. So now everyone, please log into Google Colab. So how to log into Google Colab? Go to Google and try to Google Colab. So same way, I'll go ahead and let me do it again, guys. Google and then type Google Colab. Just go back here and right click, open link in new tab. Okay, very simple, guys. Go to Google. Okay. And once you go to Google, then you can try Google Colab and click on this. Once you click, this is what file it will open. New notebook. It will take some time. So please let me check. Are you open like this, everyone? Okay, opened. Very good. Yeah, Naresh, what's your question, buddy? Unmute you. Do you stuck somewhere? Please open or not like this. Okay, that's good. So once you opened it, guys, so what I'm trying to do is just click on runtime. Naresh, I think you joined lately. Am I correct? Yes. So can you, I'll share this one because it's almost a 1 hour session we done, Naresh. Rather than I can go back, I will share this live link and now you can work on it. Then you have to get at the model. Okay, Naresh? Okay. So till the time you can, so guys, whoever working, just go to the, let me go to the Google. And once you go to the Google, you can try that. And here, check on runtime. After the runtime, you can change runtime type to GPU, then save. Okay. If you work, you can work. If not, maybe you can do it later. I will share the live link. Then you can follow that. All right, guys. So this is what you can find out in the live link. You can go to Naresh IT YouTube and Google, and you can write YouTube. I will share this live link. Just one moment. And here the session is going on. Okay. Just copy and I will post the chat window. So this is the live is going on. I think some of the students has question. Hello, sir. Make it fast. Audio. Yeah, it's just working now. Check this, guys. All right. So are you able to see it now? I shared this live link. You can refer to that. Once you log in, again, repeat, go to Google, Google Colab, and click on new link, go to runtime. Once you go to runtime, change runtime type to GPU and save it. Once you GPU and save it, click this, click on the left file, connect with the GPU. One moment. Runtime. No, close. Just refresh. Connect to Google Drive. Just wait for some time. Save. Connect to Google Drive. It will asking for connections. Did you connect it, guys? Yes, good. I'll go here now and Google, and we try like Google Colab. Let's log in and new notebook. How to connect to, yeah, Abu, I'm doing. Please watch it. Please watch it, Abu. Okay. So are you logging like this now? Go to runtime, click on runtime, change runtime type T4 GPU, T4 GPU and save. Okay. That means we save the model to GPU and then you click on the files. Once you click on the files, okay, just click this option, mount drive. It asking to connect to Google Drive. Let's connect. Then refresh. Then refresh. Wait. Do you see the drive is mounted now, guys? So let me know once you check. Once you check, please, drive is mounted. Okay, did you get it now? Great, that's great. I did. Okay, now first, let's work it now, guys. Close it. Once you mount drive, first code, let's try. Okay, little bit bigger. Try this one. NVIDIA SMI. Please try that. NVIDIA SMI. If you try this, guys, do you see the system gives 15 GB RAM to you, and we haven't used any RAM, guys. So we use like this is what NVIDIA SMI. You can execute. Try this. Are you get the file? Are you get this? This is GPU information. What is the driver? What GPU we're using, and how much space we have. You can try to find that. Once you're done, please let me know. Done. Very good, Naresh. Rest of the team. Rest of the team. Okay, excellent. All right. So once we're done, just code and you try this. I want to install some of the library. Do you see Llama 3.2 model? So if you go to the latest model, just go to the latest model, try Llama. If you try Llama, this is one of the fantastic Llama model, guys, you have, where you can ask any questions to the model and you try to get a response like ChatGPT. So Llama documentations, if you go to the overview, and do you see Llama model has generated 3.2 updated. So what is the first model? 3.1, 3.2. What is meant by Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 9? So Llama 3.2, 1 billion, 3 billion, and then 11 billion, 90 billion parameters. So this is all quantized model. What is quantized model? These big models you cannot work in, I mean, you can work in CPU as well. What is meant by quantized? So it's we'll talk about 3.2 light billion. So which one we trying now, guys? This model we trying, latest model. Do you see? I want to talk to this one. Llama 3.2, 11B and 90 billion model. I want you to work with me. This is latest model. This is latest model developed by Meta. So that's what we are using Hugging Face transformers to get access to work with 11 billion vision model. Understand, team? So that's why I want everyone to get it the model and we work this. So this model we are using now. And how are we using? Getting the model, getted the model from huggingface.com. So just now, the day one, when we start the workshop, I'm telling you to log in with huggingface.com and you guys done. Some of them already gated, right? So this is model we created. Now, once we done this, go back to my presentation. I want you to install few software, guys. Let me tell you the name of the software. I mean, libraries: PyTorch, Pillow, Torch Vision, Bits and Bytes, Sentence Piece, Fade Scale, Fireblock File. All right. So these are the software. I want to introduce what exactly. Sorry, sir. After we mount the drive, what are the steps to take? Once we mount the drive, you just connect to GPU. Once you please write this code, NVIDIA SMI, first code. Everyone, can you please write this? Are we done this, team? Okay. Then we need to install all these libraries together. NVIDIA SMI, right. So team done? Done, sir. Very good. Now, let me install all the libraries now, guys. Please type with me and let me know if you have anyone has pip install torch and then pip install, let's say pillow. I will tell you what exactly the library is all about. Pip install, let's say torch vision, and pip install, let's say bits and bytes, bits and bytes. So how will be there in all system? NVIDIA. Yeah, it's a NVIDIA. Very good, VK. So Colab means it's a NVIDIA Google platform. Understand? Yep. So I'm not use my CPU. I use Google GPU. Google use GPU platform. So I connected to Google Drive. Okay. Yep. Pip. install bits and bytes. Then CNTENCE sentence piece, and then pip install HUGG Hugging Face Hub, sorry, HUB Hugging Face Hub. So what is the use of exclamatory? So we use the sign to install the library to our system. Okay, Murthy, if I don't use the symbol, it can't install. Okay. And pip install fair scale fire, and then we can have blob file. And after that, I have to go to get it to this one. Just give me a moment. I think, okay, this is the one. This is the file I'm saying. Go back to this now. Just copy. This is the to github.com. I hope you heard about GitHub, guys. Just refer to the GitHub file accelerate. This is while GitHub accelerate. I'm copy it. Let's try to install pip install git plus this one. And then, okay, pip install. And I think I have Hugging Face transformers. Let's copy and I will use this one. So just go back and try to Google Colab again. Okay, try this now. Let me copy and here git plus transformers. That's it. So let me check again. Pip install torch. Okay. Pip install pillow. Pip install torch vision. Pip install bits and bytes. I will tell you what exactly we installed, bits and bytes. And then SCNTENC sentence piece. That's good. Hugging Face hub. Okay. And then I'm sorry, FAIR fair scale fire blob file. Okay. And then github.com Hugging Face accelerate ACC. Okay, as we done this accelerate, and then transformers. Let me install it. Try. Let me check. Wait for some time, guys. Wait. So I'll copy and I'll share to you, everyone. Oh, thank you, man. You already done that. Good. Bits and bytes. So team, please done so. It will take some time. And I think once you're done, please let me know. Okay, let's wait. Created successfully on. Guys, are you working? Guys, are you working now? That's great. Yes. So how many of them done? So is this? Yeah, yeah. It's a live. It's a live. It's a live. I'll share the live link. No worries. I think in the meantime, I can share the live link. One moment. And you can go to YouTube and Naresh IT once you try to find out. It's a live now. 1 second. I will share this link. Okay. 1 second. I got that. Now let me copy and I'll post this. Okay. I'm sharing this live link. Okay. So guys, please, VK, you can get the link now. Okay. Error in blob file. Is it? Wait, let me check. No, I don't think so. That is an error. But if you really, guys, if you liked it, then you can. No, it's not error, guys. Couldn't find a version. It's error first automatically resolved. Yeah, it will error, but automatically resolve it later. Please try to use this one, the file which I'm sharing to you guys. Let's copy and chart everyone. Try to do this. See the project which I'm doing right now, guys. It's latest model created by Meta. Satisfying requirement already. That's fine. That's fine. Requirement already satisfied. No worries. No worries. Are you done this, guys? Are you done this, everyone? Successful install tokenizer. Please let me know. Good job once you completed. Yes, yes. So are you enjoying the today's workshop, guys? Are you enjoying the workshop? Then please you need to be like the session. You need to like the so you're gonna do more thing. Once you done this, okay. So what is library I installed? And once you install the library, let me tell you torch. Let's little explanations about this library, why we install the library and what is this library does. As I know many of them non-technical, so that's why I mentioned PyTorch. What is PyTorch? The way TensorFlow, Keras, all those things, PyTorch is one of the framework. Let me slideshow from current slide. I will share this PDF. You want PDF, guys? You want this PDF as well? I'll share my GitHub. You can follow that and you get all these things you can download freely. All right. PyTorch is an open source deep learning framework. Okay. This is deep learning framework we used to develop models, large language model, NLP, all those things we can use PyTorch. Pillow. What is Pillow? Pillow is a powerful user-friendly Python imaging library. When we work with images, so how machines understand the images, guys? For that's why we install the Pillow. So Pillow images, this is library to manipulate and saving various images file format. Torch Vision. So it is a package within PyTorch. Torch Vision is available. This library, this Torch Vision is available inside PyTorch ecosystem that provides for image pre-processing, data sets, pre-trained model. So this is high buzzwords, no problem. Just you can stay with me. And the next one, bits and bytes. This is library installed or not? If you refer to this, if you refer to this one, do you see we installed bits and bytes? What is bits and bytes? Bits and bytes to efficient training large deep learning model. See, my system RAM is 16 GB RAM. Understood, guys? The model is a big model. So where 64 GB RAM cannot handle. So we quantize the big model and try to process with the GPU to process it in efficient way. So guys, are you understand what is meant by bits and bytes? So this is the library which we installed to work the big models in a system without problem, without having any issue. So it optimized for memory uses and computational efficiency by technique like quantizations and memory management. Sentence piece. What is sentence piece? Every words, what is meant by word, guys? Collections of word is a sentence or not? Sentence piece is a text tokenized designed neural network based text pre-processing. It is used for out of vocabulary words more efficiently. So this is one of the library where we need to see large language model. In chat GPT, we write a text, we get a text, isn't it? So sentence we entered, we get a sentence. To work with these sentence informations, we need to install this type of library, which is called sentence piece. Hugging Face Accelerate. So this library we use to train deep learning model for multiple devices, whether that's on a single machine or multiple GPU. So right now we work with single machine, but in organizations, it has to be work with multiple machines, guys. To work efficiently without having any problem, we try to use Hugging Face Accelerate. Next, transformers. Transformers, very powerful topics in our Gen AI industry. So here, library is one of the most popular natural language task. It provides a pre-trained model, various text classifications, translation, question answers, and all those things. So this is all about Hugging Face transform. See, this is all advanced, guys. Now every school, colleges, they are teach machine learning. Machine learning jobs are no jobs in you have in ML. You have a jobs in Gen AI, prompt engineer. So next week I'll talk about prompt engineer. Stay tuned for upcoming workshops. It's Good. So now what we're trying to do, so are you guys install all this library? Please let me know. Are you guys install all this library? Yep, please. Good, good, fantastic. Okay. Now I already shared. Please, if you do a like, one like for the time which we spend, guys, everyone. That's the live link. I gave it to you. The Tableau knowledge required for our course. Yes, Tableau is very good, but Tableau also you will teach, guys. I will teach Tableau how to visualize and dashboard all those things. Okay, so once we're done, I want to write a small code. Do you see? I'll take one image. If we go back to this now, and I'll have one image. Okay. Let's copy and see. Do you see this image? Okay. Do you see this image, guys? Okay. If I ask you what is the image, what do you say? A rabbit is standing with school bag and all those things in the garden or not? Let's see how the large language model can predict this image and how machines has brain the human does. So let's write a code and we try to capture a picture from this JPG. For that, we need to write a log code for this. But before, I want to go back to my practical and come down, and I need to give a access now, Hugging Face access. How to get Hugging Face access? Just let's try to do this as exclamatory and Hugging Face, okay, and CLI login. Just execute. Once you log in, I need to paste my access, guys. Just 1 second, and let's copy. Let's copy. And do you see it asking for access or not? Control V. Please type this, and please type this Hugging Face CLI login. Okay, so once you log into this access, it is asking for access and enter. Once you go to enter, hey, never, yes, yes, enter. Now, do you see login successful? Are you done this, guys? Are you done this? Please do a login access now. Please do the login access. You got the login access? Okay. Yep, yep. You shared this file? Good, no problem. Okay, this is my access file, and I will share this link. Copy and share to everyone. Just join. Rajiv, the session is going on live. You can work later also, okay? Okay, very good. So how many of them successful done, guys? How many of them successful done? Yeah, share link. I think let's copy, and I'm sharing the link as well to everyone. Done. So how many of them worked? How many of them logged into this file? Get Hugging Face CLI login. You got access. Once you can do those steps again, sir. Okay, Arush, what we done? First step. First step is we connected to GPU. First step. Second step, we install the requirement library to do the model. So we are doing a large language model projects and how it is a future in 2025. We do this, and then I want you to just type CLI login, Hugging Face login. Once you log in, it will ask for you select here, it will ask for a key. Do you remember we create a token or not? Hugging Face token, copy the token and paste here, add a token to grid credential, yes, and then you're done. Understand whose question is that? Okay. Arush, it's done now. I already explained you. Okay. So the next part is everybody logged in, guys. Let me write a small code here. Import requests and import torch, and then from I can say pill capital pill Python imaging library import image, and then we have from transformers import. Let's try to write down some of the transformers like you know, llama. Okay, llama for a conditional. So where I need to enter token, Murthy, over here, when you click this, after this, Murthy, enter your token input. After this, click your cursor, you get a box there. You get a box there. Please try that. Please try that. I think conditional. Oh, I got it. Generations, and then comma, auto. I think auto processing. Do I have? Let me check. Wait. Auto. Yep, I got this now. So please type now. Murthy, you got it output now? You got this output? Where I need to enter token? Please update. Once you're done, you can click yes. Please let me know once you're done. Okay. So very simple. You can find out here. Input will not be visible because the token shouldn't be visible to anyone. That's why you can do this. Done. Very good. Now you can try to write code, guys, along with me. Import requests, then import torch, from pill import image, from transformers import llama for conditional auto parser because auto parsing, and then model underscore id equal to model underscore id is equals to, do you know, just 1 second, guys. Just I got some call. Okay. Okay, I just end the call. Okay, once you got the model ID, which model I need to link up to Llama model? Where do I go? Hugging Face. Once I go to Hugging Face, I think I need to check my model as, let's say, gated repositories. And then, okay, this model, vision model. Okay, I think instruct model, right, guys? Yeah. So I think, which one? Where is instruct model? Vision, not this. I think I have sound somewhere. Okay, this is 11B. Can you please paste the model, guys, to me? Llama 3, 70B, 8. Next tab. Wait. 8B. Okay, thank you, Murthy. You post this. Okay, this one. Yep. Thanks, I got it now. So here, I just go back to my code now and model ID. Okay, just post this now. So guys, are you gated now? See, my model is gated for this now. And now, do you see model is equals to, okay, automatic my code is given to me. Yep. I got this now. Instruct model. We try to work instruct model. Now model llama for conditional generator from pre-trained model ID. Okay. And then I torch dot float 16, and I am going to remove this. See, you no need to type everything. Just I'm getting a help options as well. Wait, Rajiv, an issue we will discuss later. Let me write down it. Okay, Rajiv. Okay, one more. I'd shared the link. Unmute you. Please let me know an issue. Let me know. Okay. So device name auto we done, guys.
Audible?
Yeah, audible, please.
Yeah. Sir, do we have to memorize all these things, or these are like means I'm not getting that part. I'm a fresher basically. So do we have to memorize everything? That's my
No, no, no. See, if I ask you 29 table, would you remember? 29 table, we have multiplications table or not, Rajiv? Can you hear me? I think you again unmute. Just Rajiv. Wait. Unmute you. Unmute you, Rajiv. Can you hear me now? Can you?
I'm able to unmute.
Yeah.
Definitely I cannot remember that 29 table. I have to learn.
Exactly. But we can work, right? But we can work. But if
Correct.
give you any task exactly the same way, when you little experience on this, things would be pretty clear. No need to be memorize all those things.
So
All
these
right.
things are repetitive. What I understood. Correct.
It will, yeah, it will. See, first time in any projects, first time it will little tough, and after that things would be okay.
Okay.
Okay, got me? Yeah. So I will share the link. You can refer to that as well, later
Sure.
part of it. And new, or you can join the demo as well. We can talk more later part. Let me finish this program. Okay, workshop. Thanks. All right. So now here, no memory. Yeah, there's a function method knowing is good. That's right. So here, we done device name, process name, auto processor from pre-train model ID we got. Next part is I will pass one URL. Which was URL, guys? I give it to you. 1 second. I have to find out again. Okay, I'm getting in my this one. This is my URL. I'll copy the URL and then I'll post here. Hey. Why I'm not posting? I'm not able to post. Right click, copy and paste. Surprise. Why I'm not able to paste this? No thanks. Can you please paste the URL, guys, which I am providing to you? Just try this now and copy it. And then, yeah. No need to paste that URL. But I think, okay, it's done now. Okay. So can you please paste the Rabbit JPG file? All right. So guys, are you done now? Okay, so did you paste? Now from image, I want to image.open function. Let's try to create a image, open the image and request.get URL and stream going to be true. And once you're going to be true, this is a raw images. This is a raw images. All right. And once we try to create a prompt, from the prompt, I want to know what is this image about. All right. So once we done this, guys, let's try to print a message of wait. Oops, this is not auto parser. And once you try this here, role, 1 second, just try to create a role now. This would be a dictionary. And who is role here? User. And I need to know the content of information. Okay. Again, I think just user dot content and wait, I'll go back to this now. I'll create type now. So here, oh, I got my, wait, just 2 minutes. Okay, just 2 minutes, guys. Let's create a bracket now. And yep, I got my response. This is what I'm looking for. So here, this is automatically message, role, user, content, and text type and text prompt, because I pass the prompt here. Type equal to, I pass my, okay, type image content. And here I'll go to image. Okay. And I don't want anything. Just guys, one moment. I will let me optimize it. And then you can write text. And I think I'll use as 1 second. Text. Oops. Text. And I can use for prompt. Wait, prompt prompt. So let's do it. So I think this open bracket, this is close list, and this would be fine. So let me repeat again. Prompt. I want to know whatever the URL pass, request. So what is, okay, let me pass URL, and from the URL, image open URL, get URL, stream true, raw. Okay. Prompt. What is the image? What is this? What is the image all about? What is the image about? Message to role, and then user, content, type image, type text. I want to know the text from the image from the prompt. That's good. So do you see this case here? I pass an URL. I want to pass the URL. So I'm saying image type. I want to know from text from the prompt. Okay, that's, I hope. Um, 1 second. Okay. Okay, that's good now. And let's try input text equals to, and I want to processor dot apply underscore chart underscore template. Very good. So here I don't want to messages, messages, comma, add generations prompt true. 1 second. Prompt equals to true. So this is, I don't want to print written here. So just go back to this now. Just give me 2 minutes, guys. TRUE true. Let me open bracket, close bracket. So input text. So we pass only one image, one URL. That means one image. Processor, apply, chart template, messages, and true. That's fine. So here I want to inputs as equals to processor image, comma, input underscore text, and we are not use CUDA versions, guys. We are using GPU, Tensor, PyTorch. We use Torch Vision model, and you can work with model dot device. So once we done this now, so just go here and we pass input. Let's create an output, model dot generate, and this is a quags. You know what is meant by quags in Python? Keyword variable arguments. Input I take as quags, and wait here. So max new token, I think I can pass because this is all given in Llama 3.2, manual. And I want to remove this. Let's print. 1 second, Shivam. Let me finish this and we'll talk to you. Just processor dot decode and output of 0 because we pass only one image. Okay, so we done this. So this is what image we have. Let's try check, is it work or an issue? Do you see where I'm downloading, guys? I'm downloading from Hugging Face. Okay, and I'm okay, that's good. Control C, and now chart everyone. So post. Guys, can you try now? So can you try? It will take some time. It will take some time. So in the meantime, let me know how many of them processing going on. Let me know how many of them processing going on, guys, please. Are you guys try this? It will take some more time. In the meantime, we go back to our theory session. In the meantime, we go back to our theory session. Please work. Any issue? Any error? Does the code is given properly? Yep. Yeah, everything I given here. Are you got error, guys? Are you got error? Now, what I'm trying to say, whatever images I pass here, I ask to my large language model, whatever image I pass here, let's click this. This is what image I pass. I ask to my large language model, generate what exactly this image is all about. Now my model is processing and it generate a response. So let's wait what response my LLM model generate. We're trying to do a one of the projects from, do you see in Play Store you get download multiple app like this where you can find out the informations about the image. So that's what you understanding the informations, we extract the real information from the image by using help of Hugging Face transformers and large language model, which is Llama. So that's what we're trying to do in it. So I just want you to little check it, and this is advanced model. I'm just trying to explain. Okay, just wait. I will try to paste any other images. This code till the output statement. Which one, Darshanikant? Okay, is this code till output statement? Let me check. So can you copy paste the program in block program again? One moment, this code till output statement. Okay, do one thing. I will break down into two pieces. Let's copy. First, I shared till image, guys, till raw, and then copy and yeah, output is last code, Darshanikant. Now you can print this. Did you see right now I post 2 times? So you delete all this file and you combine all those things. Done. Very good. Are you able loading now, Darshanikant? Able to loading the file? Done. Very good. So how many of them going on? Do you see? We fetch the model from huggingface.com because Llama is integrated with Hugging Face. So this is one of the very powerful. This has to be mentioned in your profile, guys. So how to build with. So these companies are working on these models. Let's go back to the chart now. Done. Very good. Processing going on. Murthy, Alex, and a rest of them. Abu, it's working. Very good. Very good. Now we just wait for some time. See, it's a big file. Do you see? So there's a lot of questions come up to the freshers like what is billion parameters, how it works. So those things, no problem. We can try to, because in 1 day, 2 hours, you cannot understand entire large language model. So, but here, so once we covered this, why to learn full stack Gen AI LLM model? Because the models are in future, data are increasing rapidly. Like you have like video data, audio data, text data, images, all the data are increasing or not? Do you know, guys, Chat GPT? Let me finish it and then get back to theory. Let's why to learn these advanced courses? See, I can speak up theory for 20 many hours, but try to understand practical. That see from image we can recognize, isn't it? So that's the behavior of the large language models. Now, one moment, still it's going on. And in the meantime, let's get back to little bit theory classes. Let's going on slideshow from current slide. Where we stop? Where we stop? Okay. So this is we discuss full stack data science. What are the machine learning algorithms? This is all list of algorithms we have machine learning. Classifications, regressions, clustering, NLP, text pre-processing, text mining, to do this project, you have to learn all these concepts before, guys. Then only it works. What is neural network? Neural network architecture is very essential to create any deep learning model, guys. You have activation function. We have lot of technical part. Might you in the short time period. So I'm scheduling new sessions where lot of things cover up, and I want you to come back and attend it to understand. Do you know why ChatGPT very popular? ChatGPT, one of the fastest growing technology the world ever had in 2023. So do you know ChatGPT gained 1 million users in 5 days? Nowadays, every day, are we using GPT or not, team? Every day we are using GPT. So do you know Netflix? It take 3.5 years to gain 1 million user. Airbnb, it take 2.5 years to gain 1 million user. Facebook, it takes 10 months to gain 1 million user. Spotify, it takes 5 months to gain 1 million user. Insta, it takes 2.5 months to gain 1 million user. iPhone, it takes 74 days to gain 1 million users. Whereas ChatGPT, it takes only 5 days to, to gain 1 million user. So it's powered by large language model. So ChatGPT is one of the LLM model. The same way, right now we build Llama 3. This is also LLM model, comes from Meta. Understand, guys, how ChatGPT works? So these LLM models directly trained from internet, directly trained from internet. So when these datas are directly trained from internet, okay, so it has to be more technology required to how exactly it happens. So how ChatGPT, everywhere we use ChatGPT, guys, product recommendation, recipe suggestions, jokes, personal tutor, coding, career coach, mental health support, social skills, language translations, entertainment, everywhere ChatGPT is required. But let's get back to my code. Okay, I think it's still running on. Just wait. Let's get back to theory. So do you see, guys, everywhere ChatGPT is required? So the one who learning AI, he killed the job. AI not kill the job, guys. The one who learned this course, they killed the job. So here, what is full stack data science? Full stack data science means it is all about manage the complete data life cycle from collections the data from build a machine learning model. Full stack means backend and front end. So the user log into the facebook.com. When a new user log into the facebook.com, what he will do, guys? First, he will enter his credential information. So here the model collect the data from, gather data from, couldn't be to load the file, couldn't, maybe Darshankant, might be you done some wrong here. For me it's working. I will share this. Okay, so what is full stack? The full stack means data collections. When a new user log into the Instagram, he will register herself or not, or himself. You gather data from databases, APIs, or even web scraping. Once you gather data, the data has a lot of noisy data. Might be when you registered, your name is mismatched, you have comma, space. So we write a Python code to data clean, just like prepare food. After you clean the data, we do exploratory data analysis. You do, here you explore some missing value. So every data set has some missing value. We need to fill the missing value. And once you develop the model, we create a develop model like algorithms, using help of algorithms, machine learning algorithms, deep learning algorithms we have. And once you build the model, you can create a deployment. Once you create a deployment, we create a website. The website used by organizations, in that websites like amazon.com, I'm a user. I log into the user, I pay my money to get the item, and finally the project is done. So here we create a backend, front end, and we write machine learning algorithms and NLP algo, and we create a applications. Understand, guys, everyone, this is full stack data science. Are you clear? What is meant by, I will explain in depth in my new program which conducting on tomorrow, from tomorrow. Next one, what is generative AI? So in data science, in machine learning, a user train the model, a user train the model. But in generative AI, this technology can create new content, images, music, text, based on pattern learned from existing data. So generative AI direct generate data from prompt, which we downloaded from images. For example, which I build now. Okay, what is images? Request is not defined. Okay, let me talk about processor. Why the request is not defined, guys? One moment. So are you guys got this output or some error you also get this? May I know, please? Okay. Sorry, guys. I have S is missing here. Do you see this? RU image.open requests. Do you see this, guys? Then I have to rerun the model again. Then you have to rerun the model again. Let's do it one more time. Can you please try S? Team, can you please try S here again? Error. I hope it's work now. For that, do one thing. You have to restart and run and log again. Let me stop. Let me stop this. Let me stop this. Guys, please mention S here. Requests and runtime, restart session and run all. Okay. Just wait for some time. Wait. I have to paste my ID again. Just go back to this Hugging Face ID. Let's copy. Okay. Do one thing, because see, while we work with this one, it will happen, guys. Okay, we install it now. We just wait for some time. Just give me some time. So team, you know how to do this? Go to runtime and then you can go restart session and run all. Once you do the restart session, run all. Okay, just wait for some time. Freeze. Oh, okay. I'm sorry. Now I hope it's working. So go to runtime. Abu processor.apply message. You got that error? No. Message is not defined. Okay, one moment. I'll share this code. Do you see? This is what token I enter. Enter. And it asking me for yes. I'll enter now. Okay, it's working. Now I do this. Just Control A. See guys, I'm sorry. So here S is missing. So definitely guys, while we code, error should be common. All right. So we have to debug it. We get bug and we have to debug it. So I will do it one more time. Let's copy and let's use chart window. So we're doing both. We don't waste the time. So that go to URL. Let's copy and I paste here. Okay, it's loading now. It's loading now. Just wait. See what happened. I'm load one image URL now. So it fetch the data by model and it connect the data and it'll give you the right information. What exactly the image is all about. We try to get this information. So just wait for some time. It will take some time. Please. Are you guys processing going on now? One more time. Okay. Did you try this? Darshanikant is working now. And who are there with me? Who are with me, guys? Just 1 second. Okay. Sir, what's the out we should see? Yeah, we'll wait. We'll see this now. Output. Output, you get the informations about the image. Output, we see the informations about the image. All right, just wait. Okay. See here, out you got a now. Is it processing now, or it's getting some error? Again, it's getting some error for me. All right. So once you have here, one moment, I'll try to check this, and then okay. So you have typo. Is it? Is it? Let me check. Where is the typo? Which line? Message role user failed to import. Wait. Some role user content and type image, type text. No, I think it's fine. Input text. Input text equals to just 2 minutes processor dot apply messages. MESSAGES. That's right only. Okay. I'm sorry. Got it now. Thanks, buddy. Remove S. Now that's fine. I can add messages here. Now let's do it. Thank you. That's true. We can hear messages and I hear messages. Yep. That's fine. Thank you. So we'll check it now quick. Yep. We just wait for some time. Oh, that's nice. You got all green for me. And do you see any responses? Search. Unmute you. Still for me, I cannot identify this object. 1 second.
Seeing all green here. The code has
Okay.
run already successfully. But
Do you
I'm
got any
not sure
response for it?
response. What response? I don't see anything and I don't see any error. The code has run
Okay.
successfully. It's all green.
No, if you, okay, just wait. I will rerun again. Okay. Runtime and just one moment. So here you get the information about the image. If you see, you can find out some informations like, oh, I got it now. The image is a computer generated depictions of the character Peter Rabbit from the Beatrix Potter stories standing on a dirt road in front of the image. So do you see this, guys? Which image we have? If you
I don't
click,
see that for some reason. I don't
oh,
see that message. But
you
it's
have okay. So do one thing. It should work. Then
it
chart.
I should
Wait.
rerun again maybe.
Okay. So do one thing. Can you restart it, Abu?
Yes, I'm doing.
So let's copy. So anyone generated, guys? See, that means this image I load, and from this image, I can able to see the detailed informations about the image, guys. So maybe you can do one by one. I think I can able to see my answer. Just copy and you see this. Do you see this? I post 2 code now. Please try this one more time. Okay. And you can load any other images, guys. If you see this, this is the image. This image, my model responds as, let me copy what exactly the responses I got. Let's copy and let me open a notepad. And if you find out here, just try to check this. The image is computer generated. Okay, now let's get back to the image. So here, do you see what prompting? This is my image. Now I got my response as this image is computer generated depiction of the character Peter Rabbit from Beatrix Potter story. Okay, one of the story it has created, and standing on a dirt road in front of the cottage. Very good. Do you see in front of the cottage? And illustrations or artwork rather than photograph. It's not a photograph. And now it is saying it features of stylized and idealized representations of the character and setting. So when you do this, and this is what original story of this image. Do you see the large language model create a story from the image using help of Hugging Face model? Isn't it amazing, guys? Isn't it amazing? I know this is large language model gets some issues as well, but yeah, see, definitely this is the code means we should get bug and we try to fix it. So that's what we need to do it here. Please try this. Okay, one moment. I can share the GitHub as well. That sound good? Yes, guys? One moment. I will post this to GitHub and I can just go to here and what is my GitHub? Okay, one second. I log into my file and GitHub, let's post Llama 3 11 billion model. Just git account and repositories. Let's copy and we paste here participants. Just chart window. I post here, guys. It's got now? Or still you have same thing? Unmute you. Yep. You got response or still it's getting same thing?
I am getting errors. Sir.
Okay. So now I shared
Save.
my, I
Yeah.
shared my GitHub file. Can you find out? Just let's copy and
Okay.
you can get the code from here. Just now I posted.
Okay.
And here, if you do this,
Try.
just one second. So how many of them, anyone got this output? I've shared my GitHub to you guys. Please log in. Please log into the Git and you check the code. And in the code, you can able to see that you can able to see the informations of the messages, guys. Now, also you can pass any other picture, or let's say you download any JPG file. And once you download the JPG file, it can give you an output as well. So there's not an issue. So do you see from this image, my LLM 311B vision model predicts, this is all those things. You can try that. So anyone got, Darshanikant, you also got the bug? Okay. So you can try, it can work, but let me, yes, it's a bug. Now I shared this file. I shared this, what do we say? My GitHub, please check it and compare the code where you stuck. And maybe the little error, that's it. And it can work.
Sir,
Guys,
I have a question. Can I ask
please,
if you allow?
please go ahead. Please go ahead.
Sir, I'm a DevOps and cloud consultant. I'm
Very good.
experienced professional. So I'm actually skeptical, how should I gain my knowledge? How should I proceed to get myself into the AI field? Like, for example, wherever I see, I'm seeing AI right now. I'm just
Hmm.
trying to understand, what should I learn in AI so that it will be helpful in my field also, like DevOps and cloud. So which part of
See,
AI is connected with the DevOps and cloud?
a generative AI is
Generative AI.
connected to the exactly. And
Okay.
to know generative AI technical terms, you must have to know Python, statistic knowledge, machine learning. And see, people can, what's the problem is people directly jump to generative AI without learn tunings, parameter tuning, hyperparameter tuning, and cross
Mm.
validations. What is overfitting concept and why the model overfits? When the model overfits, the pictures are not clear. So all those things they are facing. So
Mm.
it required patience, isn't it? See, to get DevOps job or maybe any AI job, we spent almost 24 years to get our first job, isn't it, Abu?
That's
So
right. Yes.
the same thing to get into AI. How can a guy can get into AI without spending at least 6 months on course?
That's true. Yeah.
Correct. So
Yeah.
that's why I'm starting a new program which are covering from scratch level. Nowadays,
Mhm.
freshers don't have patience. They need everything like spoon feeding. And
Correct.
if you talk little speed, they can't understand. The session is, see how people. So for your question, the answer is need to learn from scratch, which I started a new program tomorrow. And so there we explain all those things from scratch level. Also MLOps, DevOps, everywhere it is used. See, this large language model, I cannot work in my laptop. Even though it work, it's trouble me a lot. So people are migrate to GPU. GPU means cloud. So NVIDIA and cloud has Azure generative AI, AWS Gen AI. So most of things are integrated to the cloud. But the cloud is one concern is security. So most of the organizations still working on the cloud. Every company doing POC right now for this type of learnings. The way we learning, you're learning, and I'm learning. So everyone is learning now. So it's good phase when you get into step into this thing. Then it would be a very fantastic future in upcoming ahead because you expert at AI. I'm sorry, cloud. If you so today's sessions, how you? It's very good. You understandable.
Yes, yes, it's really good. It's helpful.
So you on, yeah, insightful. You understood how things works and what exactly happened. See, even though I didn't explain in depth, but at least you can catch me what I'm trying to say. So the
Yeah,
same way the freshers cannot understand, they'll give up immediately.
yeah. In a nutshell, I got the idea and how it works and all those things. So,
Exactly.
yeah.
So
And one
the
more
same way.
question, sir. What is
Hmm.
the certification we should target as a beginner of generative AI?
So if you're see first options, if you as you're working professional, your company must be provide some certifications. You can do
Yeah.
it. If not, you can have LinkedIn certifications, Google Generative AI certified, Coursera certified. We have all our certifications available in the market. So if
Oh,
you're
okay.
in out of the if you're in out of country, I mean if you're in out of India, NRI, so definitely certification is mandatory. For
Yeah.
me, skills are more important than certifications. Yes, if you're working professionals, for you, skill plus certification both is mandatory.
Correct.
And I
Correct.
used to see that for experience, if you fly outside of country, then certifications matters. But rest of things, I don't find this is okay. But appreciate if you have certifications.
That's true. That's true. Thank you, sir. I
Thank you
got
so
it.
much. So please rerun the model and you pass any other JPG file and please update me in LinkedIn. All right. Yep.
Yeah, will do.
And also, guys, one more thing. I just didn't explain entire slides. Little bit complete them and we sign up for today. Gen AI means we pass it. See, in this code, if you refer to this code, if you refer to this code, one second, let me go back to it. And here, just go here. Okay. So if you refer to this code, we load an image to my model. My question, how model understand this is a rabbit image? Am I correct, guys? So this is generated AI. So we load the model. The model can call all the generative AI applications, and from there it is recognized that what exactly the picture is all about. And look at this prompt, look at this answer, absolutely correct answer. And if I ask you, sometimes we can't say that. It picture all those things. So this work already you can find out by Gemini model, you can find out by OpenAI model, anything. So this is all the future, guys. So generative AI means we generated AI artwork, okay, engaging copy. It's game change for creativity and efficiency. So a lot of movie industry has migrated with AI. What is LLM model? Large language model. So right now LLM Llama 3 is a large language model which required to create a generative AI art. So LLM model is backbone to create a generative AI applications. So in the world, there's top four Llama models like Gemini, ChatGPT, and Cloudy and Llama. So we have all those things. So there's four topmost running in the market right now: Gemini from Google, ChatGPT from OpenAI, Llama from Meta, Cloudy from Anthropic. So these are the. What is prompt engineer? Do you see in our code we create a prompt? In a code we create a prompt. In the prompt we create the prompt. So what is prompt? The prompt means a user input. In ChatGPT we write a prompt or not? So command line prompt. So we write a code and ask, instead of asking tell about dog, you can say write effective prompts. Explain the benefits of having a dog as a pet. So the prompt engineering. So how to create a prompt using zero shot and few shot. So now what is meant by full stack data science, Gen AI, LLM prompt engineer? Full stack data science helps you manage data lifecycle completely, front and back end. Generative AI creates a new content. Large language model understand and generate a text. Okay, so right now we created a multi-model. What is multi-model? We pass an image, we load an image here, and internally this model calls, this model comes from Meta and generated a text. This is called multi-model. All right, guys. And prompt engineering optimizes to interactions with AI. So this is fourth thing is market. And we done as per the market research. So we are at 2025 right now. See the graph is growing. So if you focus this, we have Gen job market like content creation, data analyst, customer service, other applications, natural language, computer vision, and marketing, human resource, research. Nowadays, research jobs are easy compared to other guys, isn't it? So all those things is nice. So the next one we have, if you see, in 2 years back, we don't have this system. Now it has been added here. All right. So 1 year back, we don't have these Gen AI applications. It's a new in the market. Everybody has to migrate it. AI, AI is applications, guys. Do you see this? AI is a front end application. Gen AI is a front end application. We back end machine learning algorithm, deep learning algorithm, large language model applications, algorithms we're going to implement. LLM model, we try to use transformers, architecture, Hugging Face transformers. We can use a lot of things from here. So this is all in depth about all those things. So this is the future. So you scan this QR code. Once you scan this QR code, my new batch starting from 28th October, and you can, once you scan it, you can join my WhatsApp community. So once you join the WhatsApp community, so you can get all the recording messages every day, the session going on, and we can catch you in tomorrow's session. I also done previous many workshops on Gen AI, almost done 14 to 15 on stable diffusion statistics. Today is why to choose full stack data science for 2025. And I introduced Llama model here. What is stable diffusion model? What is Creo AI? What is RAG, NLP, Gemma 9B integrations with Grok, Hugging Face, LangChain, and Google Gen AI, OpenAI, complete data science library. We have all those things, guys. I already done in previous. So also I take a resume building boot camp. You can refer that, how to apply jobs and all those things. So that's it for today's session, guys. We almost spent 2 hours. We started like 10:30, 11:30, 12:30, 2 hours. And I really appreciate your time and all those things, guys. Thank you, guys. So are you understand? Any more questions now? So let's go here, and tomorrow it's 10:30 a.m. Oh, it's nice. Okay, Abu, finally you done it. So how many of them got output? One moment. Unmute you, Abu. So you got output, you got response. You
Yes, I
can,
got that
yeah,
response.
nice. It's amazing, isn't it?
Yes,
See,
it's
the thing
amazing.
is how you can load any picture. You can load your picture to this image. You go to JPG and you can find out. See, you need to understand how the simple code can done this work. That's the
Yeah.
way GenAI applications. You can't write in Java. You can't write in C++.
Mm.
Getting my
Python.
point? See,
Yeah.
yeah, it's Python is very, or libraries we interact with it. So here, look at this code. From this code, did you install all these transformers? Torch, pillow. Rajiv, I hope you had some question. Torch, vision, bits and bytes. This is quantized model, sentence space. You have to learn in depth of these library. See, what is machine learning? We have human learning mimic human brain by help of these libraries. When we install these libraries to machines act like a artificial intelligence. We have human intelligence given by God, artificial intelligence given to machines by install these libraries like TensorFlow, PyTorch, bits and bytes, Hugging Face. I hope things would be clear. And look at this code is very easy. We download transformers from this condition generations auto processor, automatic process. Do you know we have automated cars, guys? Manual car, automated car, everything done automatic. So we have these two libraries we import from transformers. Model ID we download from Hugging Face. To to build the model, we have some parameters. Model ID. This is model ID. We pass as argument, torch type, and device map auto, and we pre-train model. Let's pre-train the model. We call from everything done from the model ID, and then I pass URL. This is URL, image open, request, get request, and URL raw. I create a prompt. What is this image about? Messages role. User has to write a content, and we pass a text. The response has to be given by to the prompt. Now input text and output. Very straightforward. So what is there in, there's no loop, nothing else. There is no decorator. Okay, nothing else, guys. So that's why Gen A is easy, but still, okay, the model has a big size. So every company has, research to how to set up on infrastructures on organizations. That's why people are buying API key to get the work done. So I hope clear, Rajiv. Okay. So guys, I really appreciate to the student who spent with me for thank you guys, like Rajiv. Rajiv, are you clear now? I hope it's pretty straightforward.
Yes, yeah, I understood that. Thank you.
And also, if
Only thing is, as you said,
you
okay,
are,
these things are fixed, but no, we need to practice it again and again.
yeah, of course, we need to see in the world, nothing is, even though if I learn new things, I have to practice, isn't it? Practice means we need to know the skills. That's it. How it work and which need to implement on which. Please scan this QR code to
Yeah,
join
sure.
WhatsApp community.
And to learn everything,
And
it will take 6 months time, correct?
it will take 6 months to complete the training, but for you to develop, it will take 1 year. If you're
Okay,
working professionals, I know you won't get time. Am I correct? Because you have to
correct,
engaging with meetings and all those things.
correct.
So this is all those things we have, and I would search for. I would appreciate it for all of my students who are with us for entire session 2 hour. See, freshers has nowadays, guys, freshers has not of, they don't have patience. Everybody want to study from YouTube's, right? And everything has to be complete in 20 minutes. It's not possible in a reality. Am I correct, guys? So, yep. So thank you, and that's it for today. And we can catch up. So, guys, I really, if you really like the session, please comment and like, as it is, it's appreciated if you do it. So thank you so much, and I hope you understand, you enjoy the session. Arush, any question? You all. Thank you, Rajiv, Abu, and Maithil, Imran, Neeraj, Murthy. I hope you got your output or any issue. Unmute you. Punit, Rajiv, Rakesh, and Ritu, Sarvesh, Satish, Sonali, Sudhir, Sushma. Again, done. Thank you. You worked, Vijaya. So thank you for your time, and I appreciate your like and comment. And see you in tomorrow session. And I'll share my GitHub. Please refer to it. If you have any questions, please ping me in my LinkedIn. Thank you guys, and have a good day. So as I told you, so it would be the future, and it's not only theory. I was explaining about the practical as well. See you and have a good day, guys. Bye.